Good morning, children. Whatever I have earlier explained you, I hope you understand it. Now, I am going to discuss with you fire emergency. What emergency we should take if we catch fire or if our house is catch fire due to electric gazette or due to oil. The discovery of fire is a very important evolution of mankind. It plays a very important role in our life. Though fire is very important, but it causes accident too if it not handled properly. Fire can cause in a various way. There are different methods of dealing with a different fire emergency. We have discussed it. Fire caused by oil. In case of fire caused by oil, throw lots of sand over the fire or use fire extinguisher. Never use the water to extinguish the fire caused by oil because oil is lighter than water. It will float on the surface of water. It spread further. In case of fire caused by electric gazette, in case of fire caused due to malfunctioning of electric gazette, immediately turn off the main switch and use sand or fire extinguisher to stop the fire from spreading. You should never throw a water on the fire caused by the electric gazette because it may cause electrocution. Electrocution means it may cause the electric shock. If a person catches fire, ask him or her to stop running and drop on the ground. Immediately wrap a blanket around the person to cut off the oxygen supply and ask him to roll on the floor. Always remember the word stop, drop and roll. We must know that the nylon cloth catches fire easily, so you should not wear the synthetic or nylon cloth while working in the kitchen. It is very important to know that most of people who get killed in the fire are due to suffocation by the deadly gas or smoke before the flame ever reach them. So in case if anyone is trapped in the fire, he or she should stay low. We must be aware of best way to escape the fire, especially at night. If the building is on fire, crawl to exit the door. Always use stairs to go down, never use the lift in case of fire. Keep a wet handkerchief or towel on your nose and mouth. It will check the smoke and gas from entering your lungs. Now, if there is no escape out of building, stuff wet towels under all the exit door and outer window not to let the smoke and fire in. Open the door or balcony door, stay near it till the fireman come to rescue you. As already mentioned, accident can occur anywhere at any place, so we should stay alert and be careful that many common accidents can be avoided. I hope you understand the chapter. Now in homework you read the lesson nicely and learn the key term. And if you have any confusion or doubt, please ask the question. Thank you and have a nice day.